Hey, this is Nick. I just finished a smart blinds project, probably the worst quality-wise project I've made in a long time, but it works. So let me tell it to open. Set Nick's bedroom blinds to 50%. So you can see that I said that, and now you can see the lights, and the gears are turning, winding the blinds up. It takes about 10 minutes in total for this to go from 0 to 100%, which is close to open. And I wanted to make this all using stuff that I have, and I wanted to use this motor here, which is the cheapest and weakest motors basically out there. They're very, very cheap. But it doesn't have very much torque inside to make this whole gearbox. And then there's a ESP32 microcontroller and some other electronics, but yeah, it works.